Welcome to the Celtic Llama. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to do the Post Leaning Stripes Stitch pattern. You can see how it ends up creating a nice little leaning design. So for this project, you're going to need to know how to do a treble crochet. If you need help with that, you can check down in the description below for my videos on how to do treble crochets. So to get started, you're going to chain multiples of 4 plus 1. Once you have your chains, you're going to start off by chaining 3. And in the 4th chain from the hook, you are going to work a treble crochet, followed by treble crocheting in each stitch all the way to the end of the row. Alright, so to get started, the repeat for this pattern will be rows 2 through 3. So to get started, you are going to chain 2 and you're going to treble crochet into the first stitch. Next, you're going to do a back post treble crochet, followed by working 3 treble crochets in the next 3 stitches. So for each row, it is going to start off by working 1 treble crochet, and then the repeat for the pattern will be the next 4 stitches. So again, the repeat for this row is doing a back post treble crochet, followed by working 3 treble crochets in the next 3 stitches. So we're going to turn our work and we can see how it's coming along. So let's go ahead and chain 2 and work our first treble crochet. And now for the repeat for row 3 is going to be work 2 treble crochets. Then we will work a working 1 treble crochet, then a front post treble crochet. Ooh, I'm struggling today. Followed by working 2 treble crochet stitches. So let's see if I can say this right again. So the repeat for this pattern for this row is going to be 1 treble crochet, followed by a front post treble crochet, followed by 2 treble crochets. You can see the design slowly coming along. So we're going to turn our work, and this is row 4. We're going to start off like we always do by chaining 2 and working a treble crochet into the first stitch. Next, we are going to work a back post treble crochet. That'll be the start of our repeat for the pattern for this row, followed by working 3 treble crochets in the next 3 stitches. So again, it's going to be a back loop treble crochet, followed by treble crocheting in the next 3 stitches. And this is just so you can get an idea of how this ends up looking. Again, the repeat for this pattern is going to be rows 2 through 3, but I figured I'd show you row 2 one more time, which is row 4. Sorry if that just got very confusing. But this is how you do the Post Leaning Stripes pattern. You can see as it ends up going, it looks very lovely. If you found this video helpful, please do give it a like, and I really do hope you have a happy crochet day.